morning. Good morning. We are having a walk in Jonkershoek Nature Reserve, Stellenbosch. We checked the weather. It was supposed to be just cloudy and then later on a bit of sunshine. It's still actually drizzling very finely now at the moment, but we decided we're going to start walking anyway.
No, somebody decided.
So I decided we have to start walking anyway.
This is the perfect sleep in your bed, warm weather.
It's also the perfect weather to take a long, nice hike. Anyway, it is really beautiful here at the moment. There's a lot of cloud cover and mist. There's a lot of mist, so you can't really actually see the mountains. But we'll show you as we go along. I'm not sure how far we're going to walk. Currently, you can't drive into the reserve because some of the roads I think has been damaged because of all the rain, and so you have to walk in. And just a normal road you would drive is a 10-kilometer walk alone, and that's only, and then you only get to a hiking trail where you can start hiking.
Round trip, 10
yeah,
kilometers.
10-kilometer round trip. So we probably won't do 10 kilometers even now. We're just gonna walk on the road until we're tired and turn around, basically. So yeah.
And we're not wet.
No, we're not.
No,
It's
I'm
hardly-
saying when we're still not wet.
Oh. Okay. See you later. Okay, we're happy to report that the sun is actually starting to come out. You can start to see the mountains in the backgrounds, starting to peek through the clouds. Even looking at this side, here at the background. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day. Perfect. Okay, so just a bit about Jonkershoek. Jonkershoek is quite a big nature reserve, part of the Cape Nature Group, here in the Western Cape. Jonkershoek is actually consisting of two different nature reserves, of which the Jonkershoek Reserve is one, and Eric&Jacobus is the second one, which is much smaller. I know Eric&Jacobus has got also some trails, and there's some homesteads of the past there as well. Jonkershoek is much bigger. It's, I don't know how many thousand hectares, I can't remember now. 3,500 hectares maybe. There's a circle route which you can drive, and then a lot of hiking trails and mountain bike trails, which is quite popular here. I think a lot of active people here in Stellenbosch come and hike and a bike here. Further on, there's a lot of plant species, obviously fynbos, and then there's a few animal species as well, more the smaller type of mammals, and then your different reptiles and bird species as well, which would be associated with the fynbos floral kingdom. And beside that, it's basically you walk surrounded by mountains and just the beautiful, beautiful views.
I think they misread the no parking sign. Anyway, still beautiful. I missed to take 1,000 pictures. See, again. Struggle is real.
Okay, so we reached halfway. We walked up to the first and second waterfall hiking trails, which is about halfway if you do the circle route.
5
and that is-
kilometers.
Yeah, it's a 4 point something kilometers. I'm not sure the way back if that's also going to be now the same distance or a bit longer or a bit shorter, I'm not sure. Anyway, we're halfway, so we're going to do a almost 10-kilometer hike today, which I think is a good accomplishment. What do you say? Yes.
Yeah, not for Sunday.
No, it's perfect for a Sunday. Okay, so this is the reason why the road is closed inside and why you have to walk in. It's because the road has been, in the specific area, has been totally washed away.
But this is because of all the extra rains we've had this year.
Yeah, we had a real wet winter. It's one for the record books, I think. Anyway, that's why we're walking, but I actually think it's really enjoyable walking this route, so it's nice. We made it. It is.
Yeah, 700 kilometers later.
It's about. It's about 9 point something kilometers that we walked. We're almost at the gate again. So circle route. It was, I think, a very nice outing. So yeah, a good walk.